Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of one of nature's most misunderstood creatures, the serpent. For millennia, snakes have slithered through our myths and fears, but beyond the folklore lies a marvel of evolution. I'm Alex Carter, and together we'll uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about their survival, anatomy, and diversity. From their feeding habits to their sensory abilities, snakes are far more complex than you might imagine. Let's begin our exploration into the secret life of snakes. How does a slender snake manage to swallow prey that's often much wider than its own head? It's a question that has fascinated scientists and animal lovers alike for generations. The answer isn't just jaw dislocation, it's a showcase of evolutionary genius, a solution millions of years in the making. Unlike most animals, a snake's lower jaw is split into two separate halves, connected by an incredibly stretchy ligament. This unique adaptation allows the mouth to open to astonishing widths, far beyond what seems possible. The jaw isn't fused to the skull, but instead is attached by a mobile quadrate bone. This creates a double-jointed, flexible system that lets the snake maneuver its mouth around large prey with remarkable precision. As the snake feeds, it uses its backward curving teeth to grip the prey securely. The jaws walk over the prey, moving one side at a time, inching the meal deeper into the throat. Meanwhile, the snake's skin and internal organs stretch and shift, making room for the meal. The body expands in real time, accommodating prey that can be several times the snake's own diameter. This entire process can take hours, especially for larger meals. It's a slow, methodical, and mesmerizing display, a true masterclass in biomechanical engineering. When you witness a snake swallowing its prey whole, you're seeing a marvel of adaptation in action, a living example of nature's ingenuity. This extraordinary feeding strategy allows snakes to thrive in a wide range of environments, from dense forests to arid deserts and lush swamps, making them one of the most versatile predators on the planet. It's a perfect solution, honed by evolution for survival, and a testament to the remarkable adaptability of these incredible reptiles. The word snake hides a staggering diversity, over 3,000 species and counting. From the tiny Barbados thread snake to the massive green anaconda, snakes come in all shapes and sizes. Some burrow beneath desert sands, others glide through treetops, and a few have returned to the sea. Each species is a specialist, perfectly adapted to its niche. They've evolved new venoms, camouflage, and hunting strategies to survive everywhere from gardens to jungles. Studying snakes is witnessing evolution in action. Every species tells a unique story of survival. The snake family is a living testament to nature's creativity. In Southeast Asia's rainforests, some snakes have mastered the art of gliding. The paradise tree snake launches from branches, flattening its body into a U-shape to generate lift. By undulating in mid-air, it steers and controls its descent, gliding up to 100 meters. This isn't falling, it's precision navigation, a ballet of aerodynamics without wings. Scientists have studied their unique body shape and movement, revealing a surprisingly effective flight. Gliding helps them escape predators and move efficiently between trees. Watching these snakes soar is witnessing evolution's ingenuity. They are the silent gliding dragons of the forest canopy. Meet the reticulated python, the world's longest snake. Found in Southeast Asia, it can exceed 30 feet, camouflaged by a stunning net-like pattern. This apex predator ambushes large prey, including pigs and deer, using powerful constriction. It coils around its victim, tightening with each breath until the prey succumbs. Despite their size, reticulated pythons are shy and elusive. Their presence shapes entire ecosystems, making them a keystone species. Encountering one in the wild is a rare glimpse into a prehistoric world. They embody nature's grandeur and power. The reticulated python is a living titan among snakes. A snake's flickering forked tongue is far more than just a menacing feature. It's a sophisticated scent-gathering tool, honed by millions of years of evolution. With every flick, the tongue samples the air, collecting invisible chemical cues that float all around us, but remain undetectable to human senses. By collecting these chemical particles from the air, and even from the ground, the tongue delivers them to a special sensory organ called the Jacobson's organ, located on the roof of the mouth. This process is almost like tasting the air, allowing the snake to read its environment in a way that's completely unique. The Jacobson's organ analyzes these scent molecules, giving the snake a detailed, three-dimensional map of its surroundings. It can detect the faintest traces of prey, predators, or potential mates, even when they're hidden from sight. The forked design of the tongue is key. It allows for stereo smelling. By comparing scent strength on each fork, snakes can track prey with pinpoint accuracy, following invisible trails across complex terrain. Every tongue flick is a sensory investigation, mapping the world in chemical detail. The snake constantly gathers new information, updating its mental map with each movement, and making split-second decisions as it explores. This remarkable system lets snakes hunt, navigate, and survive in ways we can barely imagine. Whether slithering through dense grass, rocky outcrops, or forest floors, the forked tongue guides them with astonishing precision. It's a sense completely alien to us but perfectly adapted for a ground-dwelling predator that relies on stealth and subtlety to thrive in its environment. The forked tongue is truly a marvel of evolutionary engineering. A living sensor that turns every breath of air into a story, and every flick into a step toward survival. Most snakes lay eggs, but some give birth to live young. Oviparous species lay soft, leathery eggs in hidden spots, leaving the hatchlings to fend for themselves. Viviparous snakes like boas and garter snakes retain eggs inside their bodies, giving birth to fully formed young. This strategy is especially useful in colder climates where eggs might not survive outside. Both methods are tailored solutions to environmental challenges. Whether hatching or born live, young snakes are independent from day one. Snake reproduction is a showcase of adaptability. Deep in the remote heart of Australia, hidden among the arid plains and sun-baked earth, lives a creature both feared and revered, the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. It holds the title of the world's most venomous snake, a distinction that sets it apart in the animal kingdom. Its venom is a lethal cocktail of neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and myotoxins, so potent that a single bite contains enough toxins to kill over 100 adult humans. This complex blend attacks the nervous system, blood, and muscles, making it one of nature's most efficient killers. The venom acts with astonishing speed, paralyzing prey and causing catastrophic internal damage within mere minutes. Small mammals stand little chance, succumbing quickly as the toxins overwhelm their bodies. For the inland taipan, this rapid action is essential for survival in the harsh outback, where every meal counts and competition is fierce. Despite its incredible power, the inland taipan is a secretive and shy animal, rarely seen by humans. It prefers to avoid confrontation, spending much of its life hidden beneath rocks or blending seamlessly into the dry grass. Thanks to its reclusive nature and the availability of effective antivenom, there have been no recorded fatalities from wild bites. Herpetologists and snake handlers take extreme precautions when working with this species. The inland taipan stands as a monument to chemical evolution, perfectly adapted to thrive in its unforgiving environment. Its camouflage and agility make it a master of survival. It commands respect not for aggression, but for the sheer sophistication of its biological arsenal, a marvel of natural engineering. The inland taipan is a quiet phantom of the outback, a living testament to the power and mystery of evolution, and the bearer of the planet's most potent bite. Snakes can't grow with their skin, so they shed it, a process called ecdysis. A new layer forms beneath the old, separated by a lubricating fluid. The snake's colors dull, eyes turn cloudy, and it becomes vulnerable. When ready, it rubs its snout to break the old skin, then crawls out, leaving a perfect replica behind. The new skin is vibrant and flexible, ready for growth. Shedding happens several times a year, especially in young snakes. It's essential for health, healing, and removing parasites. Each shed is a renewal, a fresh start for the snake. Snakes are masters of surviving long periods without food. After a big meal, their metabolism skyrockets, organs expand, and digestion can take weeks. Once finished, their metabolic rate drops to one of the lowest among vertebrates. They move little, conserving every calorie, and can shut down organ systems to save energy. Some snakes can go months, even over a year between meals. This adaptation lets them thrive where prey is scarce or seasonal. Their slow, efficient lifestyle is a key to their evolutionary success. Snakes are true survivalists, perfectly tuned for feast and famine. Snakes never blink. They have no eyelids. Instead, a transparent scale called the spectacle covers and protects their eyes. This built-in goggle shields against debris and injury as they move through rough terrain. Before shedding, the spectacle turns cloudy, then peels away with the old skin. Snakes sleep with their eyes open, always appearing alert. The unblinking stare isn't aggression, it's a unique adaptation for life on the ground. The spectacle is a perfect evolutionary solution for eye protection. Our journey through the world of snakes ends here. We've seen their engineering, gliding, sensory skills, and survival strategies. Snakes are complex survivors, not villains, worthy of respect and fascination. Thanks for joining me, Daksh Devendra. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more animal wonders. Until next time, stay curious.